Posting Facebook stories and they look pixelated, blurry, or super low quality? Okay then, let's make your stories crystal clear. Fix 1. Turn off data saver. The first culprit, do this first. Open the Facebook app, tap the three horizontal lines, that menu. Go settings and privacy, and settings. Scroll to media or media and contacts, or you can search data saver in settings search bar. Tap data saver, then uncheck if it's check marked, or make sure that toggle is gray if it's there. Fix 2. Use high resolution photos and proper aspect ratio, the best upload practice. Facebook compresses anyway, but the low resolutions make it worse. Before posting, use photos at least 1080 into 1920 pixels. Ideal stories resolution is 9:16 vertical. Avoid very small or super high resolution images, they get overcompressed. Crop to exact 9:60 ratio in your gallery editor first. It prevents extra Facebook cropping. Fix 3 is clear cache, update app and quick app refresh if still blurry. Okay, app glitches can also cause poor quality display. So update Facebook. Go to Google Play Store, search for Facebook and update if it's available. New versions fix quality bugs as well. Then clear cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management or manage apps depends on your phone model, and find Facebook from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then clear cache. And as well as you can do the force stop and restart the app if still blurry. There you go, your Facebook stories should look sharp and clear on Android now. If this made your stories pop, smash that like button and subscribe for more Facebook tips and fixes. Happy posting. See you in the next one.